Ateneo Grade School and Preschool invites you to our free online open house. Join us every Wednesdays at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and every Saturdays at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. You may choose among the available dates for the months of February and March. Get to know our online learning offering through a video conference. Register now using this link or scan this QR code. No tuition fee increase and still ready for online learning. Give your child the gift of the Ateneo way. Start bright at Ateneo Grade School.